Hey, I am the cyclist you almost killed. Why didn't you give me more room when you passed me in your car?
You were going slow and I needed to get to my destination.
You risked killing me because you were in a rush.
You were holding everyone up. Didn't you see the queue of cars behind me?
You stupid prick. There was a red traffic light ahead. You would have had to have stopped anyway.
Bloody cyclists shouldn't even be on the roads. They slow the traffic down. You don't even pay road tax.
You moron, I have a car and do pay road tax, but I choose to ride to work to keep fit. And I save money on fuel.
Oh my God. Here we go now. This is where you bore me to tears about how you cyclists are saving the environment, blah blah blah. You sanctimonious left-wing bunny hugger.
You are a pathetic, gay, Jeremy Clarkson clone. The speed limit was 30 miles an hour. How can you really use your 3-liter BMW? Or should I say big man's willy? Face facts, darling. You just drive a big powerful car because of your penis deficit.
You cow. I need a big engine because of the motorway travel I have to do to get to work. I bet you use your car when it rains. You are such a hypocritical slapper. You only ride to work when it suits and so you can gob off to your fellow lesbians in the sweaty changing room.
Fuck you and your Chelsea tractor. You only bought your 4x4 for the badge. Do you even know where the switch for 4-wheel drive is? The only off-roading you do in your car is when you take your gay boyfriend brown laning. Your interior light switch must be worn out from all the signaling to your fellow homos when you go dogging at midnight.
If you were so concerned about safety, why don't you wear a damn helmet and sheet? I guess you wouldn't have stopped your bike for the red lights either. That's right, isn't it? Traffic rules don't apply to cyclists, do they? Just look at you, dressed to ride in your leopard skin pattern skirt, you self-attentive slapper.
Yes, you are familiar with helmets and red lights, aren't you? From all the time you spend paying to see other men's helmets in the red light district, because you are so ugly.
You bitch. I am married and have hot sex frequently, and all kinds of shit. You only ride a bike to get yourself off, on your saddle. That's all the sex you get. You virgin. You are not even sexy and ought to be a slapper.
Do not label me a mofo. The only thing you are married to is your car. I am a married mother of 2 who is trying to cycle to work without being run over by lazy fat men with big cars and small dicks. I work as a full-time office professional, you mofo.
Yes. I can see the similarity. You are the office bike everyone talks about. Or are you saying you are the office hooker? I bet your children don't even know who their dads are, and shit.
Thank God you haven't reproduced and added more fat waster drivers on the road. You probably don't know this, because you spent more time playing kiss chase with the boys at your boys' school than studying in biology lessons. Injecting your seed into other men while in your car won't produce children.
You are such a pikey. You probably can't afford a BMW and had to resort to some backstreet insemination clinic, and shit.
You were the pikey. I'm going now. You were the fucking backstreet baddie boy in the Beamer.
Fine. I'm going now. And of course I will see you on your bike when it is raining, won't I? Goodbye.
Fine. And I will avoid the trail of roadkill leading to the fat waster with me in the BMW with the small penis. And why do you keep saying shit? Farewell, you pikey.